Today I want to share with my followers on my business page कि मैंने ये business क्यों join किया. So let me first share with you कि before joining this business ऐसा नहीं I was not earning. I was doing part-time teaching and then full-time teaching and I was earning really well. अच्छा earn कर रही थी if I compare my salary with any premium good international schools in India. It was matching that standards. But now the question is, क्या मैं खुश थी? Was I enjoying my business, my job? No, not at all. Every day मुझे अपने आप को push करना पड़ता था to and अपने आप को convince करना पड़ता था कि it's okay. Sometimes you have to just work because it gives you money, financial independence. ठीक है, आपको adjust करना पड़ता है. But this kept going for almost 4 years plus 4 years. But then finally, कहते हैं ना हर चीज़ का एक लिमिट होती है. फाइनली आई जस्ट लेफ्ट द जॉब और मैंने इट वॉज वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू डिसीजन. वन डे आई जस्ट डिडंट लाइक एनीथिंग इन द स्कूल एंड आई सेड आई एम लीविंग एंड आई जस्ट लेफ्ट द स्कूल एंड आई नेवर रिग्रेटेड. मतलब मुझे कभी ये फीलिंग ही नहीं आई कि मैंने क्यों छोड़ा. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू अर्न. आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है, दिस मनी वॉज नॉट गिविंग मी हैप्पीनेस, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. लेट मी रीडिफाइन, लेट मी सिट एंड डिसाइड वॉट डू आई वॉन्ट टू डू. So I came across this digital business opportunity. मैंने explore किया and मुझे ऐसा लगा कि इस business में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं which was matching with my interest, which made me feel कि yes मैं इस business को try करूँगी. मैं successful होती हूँ या नहीं होती हूँ that is another thing, but मुझे शायद अच्छा लगेगा. इस business को join करके मेरा जो एक list में था always that I wanted to do something of my own, entrepreneur बोलते हैं. I wanted to do something on my own flexibility, schedule वो हो रहा था. But I always wanted a team, a help. That was also well taken care of. तो सारा टिक मार्क था. इन्वेस्टमेंट था बट आई हैड नो प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज जब तक आप किसी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हो तो आप एफर्ट भी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हो, टाइम भी एफर्ट इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हो एंड यू नो इट डजंट ब्रिंग दैट सीरियसनेस. एंड आई स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस and I have learned so much. This business has empowered me so much that today I am doing multiple things. जो चीज़ें मेरे को करने का मन था बट मुझे ये नहीं पता था how to do that, especially in digital space. This business has taught me so much. और सबसे अच्छी बात इस business की मुझे जो लगी वो ये है कि you know as a female we don't want burden in our life because already we are playing multiple roles. We are like taking care of family, we also want our career, we want to take care of ourselves, we want to go out and hang out with our friends, we want to go to our relatives and we want to spend time with our mom and our family. तो इस business में आपको complete independence है. आप अपना business no deadline, no expectations. आप अपना business fast run करना चाहते हो, slow run करना चाहते हो, it's up to you. आप you want to do your business day and night, it's up to you. You want to just devote few hours in a day, it's up to you. You want to sit down and take a break for few days of you, it's up to you. Nobody is forcing you. और आपको जो guidance मिलती है वो आप अपने attitude, अपने pace, अपने interest के हिसाब से आप अपनी journey को define करते हो. It's a very very rare combination, I'm telling you. बहुत सारे लोग वाउच करते हैं कि हमारा बिजनेस इज दिस बट दिस बिजनेस रियली रियली इज़ अ रेयरेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन बिकॉज यू आर earning on your own terms, literally on your own terms, without any burden, without getting targets, without getting stress from your boss. और even अगर आप अगर आप अपना कोई और बिजनेस भी रन करते हो उसमें भी टारगेट्स होते हैं, सेल्फ डिक्लेयर टारगेट्स होते हैं. सो आई मीन I just love this idea of running business with so much of flexibility. And one thing, as I told you, was very clear that I don't have to only work for money. Only money never gives happiness. हाँ किसी की मजबूरी हो सकती है if you are the only breadwinner. तो आप that is another case. But with me, with females like me who have don't have मजबूरी to earn, but they want to bring relevance, they want to maintain their self identity, उनके लिए मतलब amazing business platform है. So एक बार आप इस business को explore करिए and I will help you to understand this business. It's always good to take a informed decision, and for that you have to register on my website, and then there are free webinars लाइक 20 मिनट्स का वेबिनार है एंड 90 मिनट्स का भी है. You can see that webinar and then it will help you to understand little, and then you can further, if you want to go further, then आपको $149 पे करके proper I think 3 hours का video you have to watch, which gives you every minute detail, like हम किस कंपनी से associated हैं, affiliate marketing है, उसका क्या प्रोडक्ट है, एंड आपको कमीशन सिस्टम क्या है, आपके ऑप्शंस क्या क्या हैं इन्वेस्ट करने के, how can you start earning, everything is there. So yes, do try, do explore this business, come out of your comfort zone. अगर आप comfort zone के बाहर नहीं आते हैं तो I don't think you can do anything. Not only this business, you can't do anything. And then it's always calculated risk तो लेना ही पड़ता है. I mean, I never worried about success or failure. It's not that I never worried, but I was like कि अगर मैं ये worry करके इस business को join नहीं करूँगी तो I'm already a failure. So I highly recommend a woman like me who wants to do something, who wants to bring purpose in life, who wants to keep that relevance in life, do join this business. और उसके साथ साथ आप अपना you can run your different career parallelly. Like I have started a YouTube channel of Madhubani art. I love Madhubani and मैंने बहुत time spend किया. I have a home science background, so I am very very creative. So because of this business I could start, because I know how to do marketing, I know how to सारा इस business से सिखाया है मुझे. So I have started 2 new channels. I'm a teacher, so I want to teach life skills to students because I think that's very important in today's generation. So आप अपने हॉबीज़ भी परस्यू कर सकते हैं. यू कैन मेक योर हॉबीज़ एज अ करियर एंड दिस डिजिटल बिजनेस यू कैन रन एवरीथिंग टुगेदर. So thank you for listening to me, and if you relate with me in some way or the other, let's talk soon.